nice. I've put in some values and I've written down most of the sum so that I don't need to stand in front of the board the whole time busy writing. So let's say this one is 120 degrees, this arc. That arc is 40 degrees. We need to find the measurement of angle 1. Always the half in red. Don't forget about the half. When it is a intersecting chords angle measure theorem, my two chords are intersecting, it is half of this 120 degrees plus the 40. 120 degrees plus the 40. 120 plus 40 will give me 160. Half of 160, and my answer for this angle will be 80 degrees. Right, intersecting chord theorem, I add the 2 on the outside of this angle 1. And obviously these two angles are vertical angles, they will be the same size. So they could have put the angle 1 on that side, it doesn't matter, they must give me the same answer. Right. Next, the tangent secant interior angle measure theorem, where the angle is inside of my circle. Half of the measurement of only this one arc, and I made this one 80. Half of 80 will give me 40 degrees for the angle 1. The measurement of the arc is 80 degrees, so the angle will be 40 degrees. The same with these two secants. Half of the measurement of the arc, I chose it to be 30. Half of 30 will give me 15 degrees for this angle 1 here at the bottom. Then if we go to the exterior angle measure theorem, tangent and secant in the first case, there's my tangent, there's my secant. Now we need to subtract when the angle is outside of the circle. Take the biggest, furthest away from the angle, that arc first, I made it 120, subtract the 50 and always half of it. 120 minus 50 is 70. What is the half of 70 degrees? Let's just write down 35 degrees for this angle outside the circle. Okay? And in this case, I've only given you one arc measurement, 260 degrees. But what do we know about the complete circle? How many degrees in a complete circle? 360. So if that one is 260, I can go and fill in and say, okay, this one will be 100 degrees. So that if I add the 100 and the 260, I will get 360. Now if I want this angle, I need to go and subtract outside, subtract inside, half of it. So I need to go and fill in my 100 degrees. 260 minus 100 gives me 160. Half of 160 will give me back to 80 degrees again. For this angle also. And eventually two secants. I want the exterior angle. Take the outside furthest away arc measurement. 50 minus the 20, half of that. 50 minus 20 is 30 again, half of 30, 15 degrees. And there you go. Go and work from the notes that was given to you. Good luck. There you have everything on the board.